Hey there. So, let's talk about a common problem many people face when working with Excel. You've just created a bar column chart, and one includes subcategory labels for each column. But for some reason, they're not showing up as you expected. You're probably scratching your head, wondering how to get those present and absent labels to display for each category, right? And hey, wouldn't it be cool if you could have different labels for each category, like sufficiency and insufficiency? Well, fret not, because I got a solution for you. In the solution provided, you'll need to ensure that the data for the two lines of the axis description are in two separate columns. Then, you can manually change the colors of the bars in the chart to make it visually appealing. By following these steps, you'll be able to achieve the desired results similar to the one shown in the example chart. Remember, it's all about tweaking the data and customizing the appearance to make your chart stand out. So there you have it, a simple solution to your Excel chart labeling dilemma. By implementing the steps outlined, you'll be able to add subcategory labels to your columns and make your data more visually engaging. Don't be afraid to experiment with different label options and color schemes to make your chart uniquely yours. And who knows, you might just discover a newfound love for creating awesome charts in Excel. And with that, we've come to the end of our video. I hope you found this solution helpful and that it has inspired you to get creative with your Excel charts. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your favorite Excel charting tip. Until next time, happy charting!